We'll guide you through how to make a texture or resource pack in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to go and do, and you can completely customize it to your liking. First of all, you need to come and quit off Minecraft like so. Now, what we need to do is go and get a base for this. And what I mean by this is getting a base texture or resource pack. So open a web browser, and what you want to do is type in Minecraft vanilla texture pack like so. You can go and get vanilla default from CurseForge, so you can go and click there. Scroll down and click on files, and we can go and get the most recent one. Go over to the right, tap on the three dots and click on download file. Just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, definitely check them out. There'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. At the moment, you can get a discount of your first invoice of 25%, so definitely check them out. And they've got so many awesome features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support so you can get the help anytime you need it and start playing with your friends. A big shout out to them and they'll be linked below. Now to continue with the guide, you need to go and open up your downloads folder and you want to go and find the texture pack and you want to drag and drop it onto your desktop like so. Right click on it and you want to click on extract all and click on extract. When it finishes, it should go and open up. Otherwise, just go and find the folder and you can go and open it up like so. Now we can go and start making this. Come into the assets folder, then Minecraft, and you can find textures. And here are going to be all of them. So the main ones are going to be in the block folder. So you can come into here and you can start scrolling through here and seeing all of the different blocks, as you can see. So if there's something specific you want to go and adjust, you can use the search in the top. For example, for me, I want to go and change the grass block. So I've gone and searched for that there. What you want to do is go and right click on the block, hover over it, open with, and go down and click on choose another app. Now go and select paint and click on always, and it will then go and open up. You can go and zoom in the bottom right here. And now you can start customizing it. So in this case here, I want to go and make it a little bit more brown. So I'll select brown just here. And you can then go and select your brush up here. So I'll just use the default one. And then what you can do is go and adjust the size of it over to the left here. I'll make it a bit smaller. And now I can go and start customizing it, as you can see. If you regret doing anything, just press Ctrl Z. So I'm not going to do anything too major here, but I'm just going to go and click randomly like so. I'm now finished. And then what you can do is click on file in the top left and press save. And that's it. You can then close it and you can move on to the next texture. Now I'll go and do the same for dirt. So you should be able to double click on it now and paint should automatically open. You can then zoom in the bottom right and go and customize it. Keep on going until you're finished and you can go and check out the others here as well. All you need to do is click on texture at the top to get back to the list of the different folders. As I said, once you're finished, you can go and close off of it and reopen up the folder. So to go and get this into Minecraft, all you need to do is go and highlight these three here, and you need to go and right click, hover over compress to and select zip file. And that will go and put them into a zip, as you can see. Now we can go and name this. I'm going to drag this out of here like so. And I'll go and open up Minecraft. We can go and click on options and then into resource packs and open pack folder. Click, hold and drag the pack in here. Now it should go and appear in this list here. We can click on the arrow to the left and this is for an older version, but it's fine. I'll press yes. We can then go and press done and Minecraft will go and reload. The grass blocks I edited are now here and I also changed dirt as well and you can go and see my new texture. So of course I could go and repeat this for all the different blocks and completely customize it.